I'm going to show you how I install 100mm butt hinges. This is the top of the door, so I come down 200, so mark in the center, and I come up from the bottom 250. So I've got a mark for the center of the hinge, and then I find the distance in between to place the third hinge. So I find the halfway mark, and I double check, measure from the other end. Yep, perfectly center. Now I square off the lines so I can see them when I'm placing the jig. Now these hinges, they all vary. There's 100mm, there's 99.7, 99.75. But I've got a template for both sizes. This one's a 99.7. So I place it on the center line. The fast grip clamps from Festool. Clip it on there. The router's already set for the depth. So off we go, start dust-free routing. I'm using a 13mm cutter with an 8mm shank, and this suits the Festool 17mm copy ring. So I slide it down quickly to the next mark. Doesn't take long to put the clamps back on. I'm using the same template again, the 99.7 long. Now for this top hinge, I'm going to change the templates, and this is the 100mm one. Now I take the corners out with a double chisel. It's a very quick process. Saves a lot of time having one of these chisels. Leaves a bit of a corner piece in there where you just take it out with a normal chisel. Sometimes there's a bit of fur on the top edge of the door. It's just a matter of scraping that off. That's your mortise prepared. So make sure I get the hinges around the right way, starting with the 100mm. I've got a self-centering pilot drill bit here. It makes it quick just to screw those holes. Not trying to find center every time, having your drill bit drifting everywhere. Really quick process. Get all the right hinges. Pity they weren't all the same size, but that's what you get with some brands. That quickly clicks off, and there's a Phillips bit underneath which stays in the chuck. Change the mode on the drill, so I've got the clutch to activate, so I don't over tighten the screws. Finally, the last hinge. But this is a lot quicker than doing it all by hand and hammer and chisel. I'll show you a close-up now. Dead flush. Just the way we like it.